Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to explain about adjustment of prismatic compass. Adjustment of prismatic compass. So there are usually two type of adjustment in prismatic compass. The first type of adjustment is known as station or temporary adjustment. This is the first kind of adjustment we are doing in prismatic compass, and the second type of adjustment is permanent adjustment. So in this video we are going to discuss about these two type of adjustments. Okay, so what is the first type of adjustment? The first type of adjustment is known as a station or temporary adjustments. So in case of station or temporary adjustments, so the first type of adjustment is station or temporary adjustment. So the station and temporary adjustment is further divided into two types. One is centering, second one is leveling, and third one is focusing the prism. So these are the three types of adjustment in case of the temporary adjustment. Okay, centering, leveling and focusing the prism. So first we are going to discuss about the centering. Okay, so what is meant by centering? The centering is the process of keeping the instrument exactly over the station. What is meant by centering? Exactly position means we have to keep the instrument at the exact position. Okay, ordinary prismatic compass is not provided with fine centering device as it generally fitted to the engineer's theodolite. But while doing the centering for the ordinary prismatic compass, so in case of the ordinary prismatic compass, we are not providing the exact centering is not provided in ordinary prismatic compass, because in case of the ordinary prismatic compass it is usually fitted with the engineer's theodolite. So in this case exact centering is not obtained in case of the ordinary theodolite. The centering is invariably done by adjusting or manipulating the legs of the tripod. How we are doing the centering? By adjusting or by manipulating the legs of the tripod. What is meant by adjusting and manipulating the legs of the tripod? If the instrument is not in the center, we are just moving the legs of the tripod and we are doing some slight changes so that the centering can be done. A plumb bob may also be used to judge the centering, and if it is not available, it may be judged by dropping a pebble from center of the bottom of the instrument. So in some cases, for seeing the centering, whether the instrument is in center or not, we are using the plumb bob in such cases. Or if there is no plumb bob, then we can check the centering by dropping a stone from the center of instrument. From the center of the instrument, by dropping a stone also we can check the center of the instrument. So this is centering. What is second one? Second one is leveling. Okay, second one is leveling. So what is leveling? If instrument is hand instrument, it must be held in hand in such a way the graduated disc is swinging freely and appear to be level as judged from top edge of the case. In case of the leveling, suppose we are using a hand instrument. If we are using a hand instrument, it should be held in hand such that the graduated disc is swinging freely. If it is a hand instrument, then how the compass should look like? The graduated disc inside the compass should swinging freely. It should swing freely. Then we can say that the instrument is in level. Generally, a tripod is provided with a ball and socket arrangement with the help of which the top of the box can be leveled. Usually for leveling, we are usually using one arrangement. It is known as ball and socket arrangement. Usually in most of the cases, we are providing the ball and socket arrangement so that the top of the box can be leveled easily. This is about leveling. And third one is focusing the prism. Okay. So how we are going to focusing the prism? The prism is attached. The prism attachment is slided up or down by focusing till the readings are seen to be sharp and clear. How can we focus the prism? The prism is attached. It is slided up or down. So we have to focus the readings. We have to focus the reading until we can see sharp and clear reading. Until the readings are sharp and clear, we have to do the focusing. This is known as focusing of prism. So these are the three types in case of the station or temporary adjustments. One is centering, next is leveling, and third one is focusing the prism. What is our second type of adjustment? Our second type of adjustment is usually permanent adjustment. Okay, so what is meant by permanent adjustment? The permanent adjustment of prismatic compass is almost the same as that of the surveyor compass, except that there are no bubble tubes to be adjusted and needle cannot be straightened. So the permanent adjustment of prismatic compass will be same as compared to the surveyor compass. In case of surveyor compass, what are the permanent adjustment we are doing? The same permanent adjustment is also done in case of the prismatic compass also. But in prismatic compass, there will be no bubble tube, except no bubble tube. There will be no bubble tubes in case of the prismatic compass, but in case of the surveyor compass, we can see the bubble tubes also. And the needle cannot be straightened. In case of the prismatic compass, the needle can't be straightened, whereas in case of the surveyor compass we can straighten the needle, but in case of prismatic compass the needle is fixed, we can't straighten the needle. Okay, the sight vanes are generally not adjustable. Another one is, what is the permanent adjustment? The sight vanes are also not adjustable. We can't adjust the sight vanes in case of the permanent adjustment. So this is about the permanent adjustment. So what is permanent adjustment? The permanent adjustment of prismatic compass is almost the same as that of the surveyor compass, except that there are no bubble tubes to be adjusted and needle cannot be straightened. Okay, the sight vanes are also not adjusted. So these are the permanent adjustment of the surveyor compass. Okay, so in this video we have learned two type of adjustment of prismatic compass. One is station or temporary adjustment. It is further divided into three types. One is centering, second one is leveling, third one is focusing the prism. In case of the permanent adjustment, it is not subdivided into anything. Just we have learned about the permanent adjustment. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.